camp really late at 8:40. It was a really cold night and I was dumb and I didn't dry out my quilt, so it was damp from the previous night. So last night it was especially cold and it's pretty wet at the moment, which is annoying. But we'll see if I make it to town today. If not, that's okay too. I'll go in early in the morning. Ah, the pretty lake again. Oh, where am I going? Don't get lost already. I am so tired still from yesterday. It's taken me like an hour, almost an hour to go 1 mile uphill. But I am above 8,000 feet. But it's gonna be another tough day. Really, really tough for me. Oh boy. What animal's that? Walking up there. What are you? Nice sunny day. This would be like impossible to do in a thunderstorm because of the lightning risk. I wonder if the trail goes down there and then up this mountain. I can kind of see it. Alright, I'm at the top of this one. Where's the trail? Oh, okay, I see the trail. Hope it's coming up on the camera. Down and up another guy. Ooh, another view. Pretty wildflowers. Lewis and Clark Pass. Is there traffic down there?
Like the highway?
Yeah.
No.
Another climb done and dusted. And I can see the trails down there. And I know the pass is down there, so it's still a long time till the pass where I can hopefully find some water. I haven't seen one of these blue markers in a while. CDT. Well, there's a big cairn right up there, so I knew I was going the right way. And looks like I'm heading into another burn zone. I am doing a big downhill, and then I have a super big climb. I do not like doing big downhill when I know I have to go right back up. Okay, so this looks like trailhead for Lewis and Clark. CDT sign. And there's some fancy sign up here. So sign says that those two guys crossed the Continental Divide on July 7th, 1806. And now I'm here. So they have a little emblem there, Lewis and Clark. Next listed water sources, 2 miles uphill. This way is 0.4 and then another 0.1, but I'm just gonna go for it. It's a thirsty day, my friends, a really thirsty day. Going this way. Let's do another break before this guy. And the view. The big views. Green Mountain. Oh, I'm at the spring. And there is water. Thank goodness, because I was having some dehydration concerns. I wasn't like in dire straits yet, but I was like, if this doesn't have water, I'm gonna have a bad time. And here's my view. So down there in the flowers is the spring. And I think the trail's gonna go down and then up that guy. I think I'm gonna head down and then there's a yurt over there that a researcher uses. Sometimes hikers can stay there, but reports are it's locked up. Getting closer to that yurt. Yurt. Cool view. POWERLINES. The yurt is locked locked. I can't stay here, which is a shame. I'm like, I could camp around here in this area. I can walk over 2 more climbs, 2 more mountains, and 3 miles, get to a highway, get to the town of Lincoln, and have a beer. It's getting late in the day. I'm gonna walk and see what happens, but if I get too tired, I'll just set up on the way. Going down, and then looks like I'm going up and around. Last climb done, mile till the road. Will I find a hitch before it gets dark? Okay everyone, I am at Rogers Pass. It's 8 o'clock. No traffic here so far. Worst comes to worst, I can just set up my tent just off of the highway. Even though I don't like camping near the highway because it's more of a chance for crazies coming to bother me. But, alright. See how this goes. I'm inside the very hiker-friendly Wheels Inn. It took about 30 minutes, but I did get picked up by a young couple, and she had grown up in Lincoln. They were heading to Missoula, but they dropped me off here, so she gave me the lowdown on the town, good places to eat, what to do. So I'm excited for my 0 day tomorrow. And this is also a really nice place because they let campers, hikers rather, camp in the back for free, and they have a porta potty out there. This is the Lewis and Clark Tumbleweed IPA. I can't remember if I reviewed this or not. If I had, it was in a can, so be different in the draft format. An interesting mix of citrus and piney flavors, but I think they blend together well. Light creaminess. Yeah, I drink this again. I give this Tumbleweed IPA a thumbs up. I'd like to give a big shout out thank you to Christina. Thank you so much for the beer. And it's hamburger time. Okay, I set up my tent in the back. There's only 2 people in the bar. One is the bartender. The other one is the husband who's celebrating a big softball win. And he is jamming up the jukebox with really good tunes, a lot of 80s and grunge, like stuff that's like, So I'm finding it really hard to retreat into my tent. I'm having a really good time, even though I'm just sitting here by myself enjoying the music.